subtraction on removing brackets with multipliers. Examples. Remove brackets and simplify this expression. Solution. We have 3 minus 7 into bracket 5 minus 4x. Now, we have 3, which is the first number here. Minus 7 is like the multiplier. We have a minus here, so minus 7 is like multiplier. So it will multiply the first one here. What do we have? Minus 7 times 5. That will give us minus 35. That's a minus 7 will multiply minus 4x. Minus 10 minus will be what? Plus. So we have this 7 times 4, that is what? 28. So we have 28x here. In this case, we have 3 minus 35. What do we have? Taking away bigger number from smaller number, we are having minus 32. So that would be minus 32 plus 28x. That is the answer to the question. Thank you.